Let me show you how to join the NovaEx AI project and receive free 10,000 NEX tokens as a sign-up bonus, and also how you can make the most out of the platform. By this I mean how the platform works. But before we get into the details, I'd like to get this disclaimer out of the way that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial expert. So you endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. With that said, what is NovaEx? NovaEx AI provides quantitative traders and institutional investors with a high performance, highly reliable, and highly secure spot and perpetual contract quantitative trading system. So I'll be leaving a link for you in the pinned comment of the video and also on the Telegram page. And when you click on it, you find yourself on this page. Access all services provided by NovaEx AI. So down here, you can download the NovaEx AI app. They have an app: high performance, reliable, secure, spot and perpetual contract quantitative trading system. Those are some of the features. Easy trading anywhere, 247, fully automated, intelligent trading. So intelligent future factory, hybrid intelligence engine, intelligent trading center, full chain defense. That's the 4-dimensional architecture. Real-time data analysis. It uses AI to analyze market data in real time, providing accurate signals. Smart strategies, auto generation and optimization based on chain learning, right? Download options. You have Android version, you have Google Play download. So you can just click on any one of these to download the app to your device. It's going to show a warning, right? This shows up anytime you want to download an APK file. It does not necessarily mean the file will harm your device, but it's because you're not downloading from Google Play Store. That's why. So I'm going to click on download anyway. So I'll leave you to make your own decision. App downloaded. So tap on it and click on install. So my phone is actually scanning to see if the app is actually legit or if I'm exposing my phone to risk, and it says no virus found, app is legitimate, no risk at all, right? You have the option to use the app or the web page. So here you are to choose a username, choose a password, confirm password. You will find my invite code here. Don't touch it. Check this box to agree to user agreement and privacy policy and click on register. So if you're using the app for the first time, we click on enter system here. If you have signed up already on the web page, you can simply just log in. It's the same thing you find on the web page. So after registration, there is something important that needs to be done: your security. And what you need to do at this stage is to link Google Authenticator first, right? For asset security, please do this before you. So you click on link now. Have you installed the Google Authenticator? In my case, yes, I have it. This is your Google Authenticator app, right, from Google Play Store. So you install it, come back and click on next. If you do not have it, you can go here to download. Now you will copy this code and take it to the Google Authenticator. You click on the plus sign here, click on enter setup key. So you enter the name so that you can recognize. For instance, for NovaEx, I leave it on time base. Time base is fine. You paste the key here and you click on add. Now it has been added. So now you copy this code, but be conscious of the time. You bring it back, you paste it here, and you click on submit. And you have successfully added the Google Authenticator. And for doing that, it says I have received 10,000 NEX, right? I used a referral link and signed up on the web page. That's why there is no option to bind the code. But after registration, you need to bind the code before you receive this 10,000 NEX, equivalent of $1,000, right? So here, my assets, this is my balance, it equivalents. The price of NEX at the moment is 10 cents, right? And 10,000 of it will give you 1,000. So other tokens on the portfolio are USDT, BNB, Ethereum. You can even add more because this is a DeFi wallet. And invite friends. So anyone that binds your invite code will receive 10,000 NEX, equivalent of $1,000, just like you got yours. So here is your invite link. You can copy and share on different social media platforms. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and once they use your invite code, you receive 10,000 NEX. Team system. So this is how it works here. As you invite friends and they join, you will earn 9% from your first level members, 8% from your second level members, and 7% from your VIP3 members, right? So this means your direct referral, as they register and claim their sign-up bonus, you will receive 9% of their 10,000 NEX, right? And your second level member, as they register and get their 10,000, you get 8% of that, and you get 7% of your third level member. Now in the security settings, you will link an email. If you haven't done that already, you will link a Google Authenticator. You can reset password here. This is basically what you will do on the security settings. So let's link an email already. Let's click here. You enter the email address you want to link and you click on next. You go to Google Authenticator, you scroll down to where you added your NovaEx and make sure you still have time. You copy a code, you paste it there, and you click on verify. and we have successfully linked an email. Now back to the home page. What else? Language. You can select the language. I understand English, so I'm on English, but other options are here as well. Official community. Then there is the global node plans. Become a node to unlock more earnings. So to do this, you click on go here. Premium node, you get 10% reward, required performance from 500 USDT, right? And you're in, and these are the rules. Chief ambassador, team participation in AI trading, total amount 500 USDT or more. Number of participants in AI trading, at least 5 people. That's for chief ambassador. Then gold ambassador, team participant in AI trading, total amount at least 5,000 USDT. Number of participants, at least 10. Honorary ambassador, team participation in AI trading, total amount at least 30,000 USDT. Number of participants, at least 100. What else? Then there is the core node. You get 15% reward. Required performance at least 5,000. Required performance for premium node is at least 500 and you get 10% reward. Then there is a super node. Required performance at least 30,000 USDT. You get 20% rewards. And then there is a validator node. Required performance 50,000 USDT. You get 30% reward. There is the global node. Required performance 150,000 USDT. You get 50% rewards, right? Those are the other ways to earn on the platform and make the most out of it. Here we have to discover. Of course, there are some designated tasks to earn NEX. One is to join the Telegram group channel to receive rewards. Click to join the Nova AI Telegram community. So I'm already here, right? So you make a screenshot. So the next one is subscribe to the NovaEx AI Telegram official channel. And this is the official channel with 19.9k subscribers. So you hit the join. And once you join, you take the screenshot as well. You come back here, you have to provide completion proof, right? So you provide your Telegram username or Telegram link here. So to get a Telegram username, you come to your Telegram page, you click on profile, and your username is right here. So you just tap on it, copy username, or you can as well just click on here, click on copy link to profile, pretty much the same thing. Then you paste it here. That's the profile link. Upload up to 3 images. Of course, we just completed 2 tasks. So you click on the plus sign and you select the images from your gallery and you click on submit review. The task is pending, so it's after review. A human will take a look and confirm that yes, you have actually completed the task and you receive the reward. The next one is the Twitter task. Hit go to complete. So you hit the follow button, you get the screenshot. Next one is to forward X post. You tap here to review post. So you click on the share button, you quote it. I think that's better. Click on post and you provide your Twitter link or username. So that's my Twitter handle and you upload some screenshots. So here's my screenshot. So don't forget, you select the photos one after the other. You select one, you select the other. You click on submit for review. So that's that. And then there is a YouTube task as well. You click to complete. You tap on it and you subscribe. I'm already subscribed. So I just get the screenshot. And then you get your channel link. You click on here, you click on view channel. You click on these 3 dots here. Click on share and you copy link. So you paste your link or username here. If you know your username, of course, this is it. This is my YouTube username here. Then you upload a screenshot. So that shows that you actually subscribe to the channel. You click on submit for review. The next is Facebook. So you click to complete. Tap on that. So this is their Facebook page. You hit the follow button. You are now following. You make a screenshot. You come back. There's a post for you to share. Tap on this link. So you have to share this post. So you hit the share button. You might choose to add something like this. So I've shared. Open your profile, click on the 3 dots, copy your profile link. Or you click on share profile here. Copy link. You either paste your username or your link there. And you select the screenshot. You click on submit for review. That has been submitted. Alright, so it looks like the verification is very fast. 1, 2, 3 has been verified already. Let's go back to home. Okay, now it says I have 16,000. It means the verification is actually very fast. Alright, even the last one has been verified. So what's up? Let's click on AI button here. AI smart trading engine, real-time analysis, trend prediction, and auto execution, right? Conservative, this 0.5% to 0.6 cycle 1 day. how to catch trends. This is smart AI trading engine at the percentages according to what you have here. So if you put in this, you'll be getting 182 to 219. I think it's a flat percentage reference APY for all the coins, right? Auto execution AI analysis, stable income. Conservative is for a day. The stable is for 7 days and is 260 to 312 for any one of the assets here. Then there is the balanced, it's for 15 days. And then there is the aggressive, this one 340 percentage to 352 here. So this is for 30 days. So the minimum amount is 20 USDT equivalent, right? So look at this, a minimum of 20 USDT for all of them. Even the aggressive is 20 USDT minimum. So you can check the other tokens to see the equivalence. For TRX, minimum is 100. For Ethereum, minimum is 0.03. For BNB, minimum is 0.05. Sorry for the pop out. My network went bad, but I think it's restored now. So if you have actually placed any orders or participated in this AI smart trading engine, you will find your orders. You could track them in orders, right? The ones that are running, the ones that have run out due to their timing, because it's one for 1 day, there's one for 3 days, there's one for 7 days. So if they are currently running, you find them here. If they have ended, you also see them here. Everything is tracked on the platform. What else haven't we touched? So this is it about NovaEx AI. And once again, this is not a financial advice, as I'm not a financial expert. So you endeavor to do your research to understand better what you're signing up for. Of course, part of this is like you're putting in money. So the wisest thing to do is to invest what you can afford to lose, and also do your research. So there you have it, guys. This is how to sign up for NovaEx AI. So you're mining it, right? What you're getting here is the airdrop. The token has not launched itself, but this is the value attached to it. So while you're mining, you can still participate in the AI trading, and you'll be getting some benefits from that as well. And when the token launches, you also make profits. All right, that's what's up. So guys, once again, do your own research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.